Hello guys. Hi everybody. Look at my baby. Chamberlain has been having a little bit of discomfort since morning. He has been crying non-stop. He has catarrh and cough. I don't know how that one came about. But he's going to be alright because we have gone to see the doctor and he has been placed under medication. So my baby is going to be alright. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. Papa, say hello. Say hello. Little things are irritating him now. Yeah. See my baby. Small thing is irritating him. It's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry, my baby. Don't cry, my papa. Don't cry, my baby. Chamberlain. See your face. Hey, look at. See now. It's not in the mood. Not in the mood to face the camera. So, bye.